Wow, so many people are undermining B Network, and it's so crazy how I think B Network is going to take a lot of people by surprise. I'm going to show you 10 good reasons why you should start mining B Network. So now here goes the 10 reasons why I think you should start mining B Network. Now, BDEX is officially live. The decentralized exchange of B Network is live. It is currently in use. And what does this mean for the project? Early liquidity means early trading. Now, let me explain. Now, B successfully launched their decentralized exchange, which enables users to be able to exchange their tokens without needing the middleman. Now, if there is no direct exchange on this platform, unlike Pi Network, when Pi Network launched then, it launched around $3 and nobody was able to catch it at that price, $3. A lot of people missed it. But in this case now, if B Network starts with a very high price, you'll be able to catch it because it is directly on the app. You won't need to wait for any exchange to list the token before you can be able to exchange your B Network for USDT. That is one very beautiful thing about this particular idea. So if this project works out, that means that you can be able to maximize the best price. Now, the second reason is wallet upgrade and maintenance infrastructure are building real utility. Now, this has to do with the B Upgrade 2.0. This is a part of the move towards Web3 full capability. Now, this suggests that B token can be used way beyond just the price. There are going to be other utility attached to B Network. Beyond your balance, there are several other things you can be able to do with your token, like staking, like other very interesting things that would benefit you, that would earn you more profit along the line. One thing about crypto you should know is that once a particular token has use case, they become more desirable financially, which means they cannot just go extinct. People will always need that particular project. That's the second reason why you should not ignore B Network token. Now, the third reason, exchange listing preparation could boost the price. Now, the app interface and everything they're designing, from everything you can see on the app, you can see that they are preparing themselves for potential exchange listing. And what does this mean for the project? It means that if B Network can successfully be listed on major exchanges, it will mean a great deal for the project. One thing that I've learned from experience is never undermine any upcoming project as long as it has to do with the Web3, the crypto space. So I do not take any project for granted, especially when I don't even have to pay a dime for the project. Why should I not even take part in it? It's a no-brainer. Now, the fourth reason, trading competition with tangible reward. Now, here's what you should know. B Network has announced trading competitions on its DEX with prizes. Now, there are prizes to be won, which means you will get real reward just by trading on B Network. You can get your gadgets, you can get other fancy prizes. Now, it is a way to earn value before wider adoption. Now, let me tell you why I think I'm interested in this point. Now, it's not because of the gadgets. I know many of you watching me might be able to afford 10, if not even 20 gadgets at a time. But one thing you should pay attention to is they are willing to give out something just for people to participate, which means they are taking their project serious. That is one thing that I see from this whole thing. They are willing to organize trading competition and all that stuff that would encourage people to get into their project. And now you should also have that in mind. Now, the fifth reason why I think B Network is a good project to get your attention on is the crypto card integration that B team is working on. Now, the B team is working on the B MasterCard and B Visa card, which means that B could be spendable after its adoption. Now, the sixth reason why I think you should start mining B Network is there's higher KYC rates on this project. Now, the rate at which they carry their KYC is very, very high, which is a very good sign that this project might do well. And verified accounts are often required to withdraw tokens much later. Now, if you start mining this project now and you complete your KYC early, now this could mean full eligibility for future distribution. We cannot ignore the seventh reason. Now, we all know that B Network has a large community. And what does large community mean in the space of crypto? Large community means success. Even if it's early success, what now keeps them going along the line is if they continue to deliver. But for a start, if a project has a large community, there is a high tendency that that project will be successful. And we can tell from B Network that they have a lot of followers, they have a lot of users on their platform. So that is also another thing to look at. Now, the number 8 reason is the token utility growth through the games and marketplace. There have been several games that have been developed on this ecosystem and also marketplaces that will support the growth of B Network, and it's something you should also look at. Those things require extra effort and energy to put those in place, and which means a project that is willing to just want to scam you or move along will not want to give in so much for nothing. Now, the ninth reason, if you start now, that means you are early and the rate is still very good, so hop on. And you know, the more the users, the less the rate. Now, if you start now, it means you're going to be able to acquire more B Network token than people that would come in later. So start now. I will leave the link in the description. Click on that link and get started now so you can start mining your B Network tokens before more users get to hop on the trend. Now, the last but not the least reason why I think you should be a part of this project is that you don't have to pay $1. You don't have to pay $1. You don't have to pay any amount of money. It is $0, $0, as the case may be. You don't have to pay a dime to get involved in this project. All you just need to do is to have a phone, and all you just need to do is to shop every day, mine this token, and you are going to get rewarded for free. So it is a no-brainer. You need to get on the train before it is too late. So guys, that's basically what I brought here. If you like this content, you just go kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just saw. Now, there is also a Telegram link I'm going to leave in the description. For those of you that are looking to get crypto updates time after time, join that link and I will always update you about what is going on in the crypto space and the Web3 space from time to time. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.